Hey guys, it's me on my mom's iPhone. Yeah, I'm at Hoover Dam right now. It's pretty cool. I was gonna show you just the pictures and put mashups, but I figured I'd just, let you see for yourself what Hoover Dam looks like in case you ever been in Las Vegas. Basically, that's what it looks like. It's makes you kind of sick. Maybe my mom's sick, to be honest. The water's on the other side. You can't really see it because of it's gotten lower, really. These are just random words that I don't know about. And that's the elevator where I should be going. I'll just show you outside. Do we go through here?
3.5-inch diameter cables.
Ready?
If you follow the cables to the right, you will see the lifting mechanism of the crane that is supported by the cables. This is the original crane from the building
So this is the outside view.
It is the oldest and largest continuously operating cableway crane system in the world with a lift capacity of 150 tons. The crane is used to deliver large equipment from the road to the ramps below.
Okay. I'm ready to go. You are? Okay. Alright, well I guess we're leaving later.